My name is Stephen Naylor. I'm the head chef of Story Cellar in Covent Garden. We're cooking today rotisserie chicken with house salad and French fries. So rotisserie chicken is one of our main focuses here at Story Cellar. Chef really wanted to build a restaurant around rotisserie chicken. So it's available lunch, dinner, even on our Sunday lunch menu where we have the rotisserie chicken with the traditional Sunday garnishes. So we get beautiful chickens from France that are corn-fed free range. We brine them in a 10% salt to water ratio for 3 hours. We rinse off that brine. We evaporate it down in chicken stock, and then we cook it at 90 degrees until it has a core temperature of 72 degrees. Then after it's cooked, we take it out of the vapor bag, retaining the stock. So then with the stock, we reduce that down to a glaze, to emulsified butter in, so we have a beautiful chicken butter to glaze over the rotisserie chicken when it's on the grill. For our house salad, we make a house dressing of English red store, olive oil, demerara sugar, garlic, fine sea salt, mustard powder, and sherry vinegar. We emulsify that all together to dress our salad with. In the salad, we have butterhead lettuce, radicchio, fine herbs of chives, parsley and chervil, finished with crispy shallots on top. We take the chicken off the rotisserie, giving it a final glaze with our chicken butter. Carve it down to the legs and the breast. Dress it nicely in a mobile pan, covering it with a house stew with a little bit of English rape oil over top, with the confit and roasted garlic and the bokeh garnish, with the sides house salad of the butterhead lettuce, radicchio, fine herbs, crispy shallot, served with French fries and a trio of house condiments. There we have a whole rotisserie chicken with house salad and French fries.